Welcome to my channel Let's Crack It. In this video I am going to give you brief details about JEE exam. What is JEE? The Joint Entrance Exam, also popularly known as JEE, is one of the engineering entrance exams conducted at the national level all over India every year. It mainly consists of two exams. First one is JEE mains. Around 12 lakh people write JEE mains exams in a year. If you clear JEE mains with a good percentile, you will have chances of getting into good NITs, triple ITs and other government colleges with good branch. The second exam is JEE advanced. To write this, you need to qualify JEE mains. Interesting fact is, out of 14 lakh students who write JEE mains every year, only 2 to 3 lakh of them qualify for JEE advanced. The another shocking fact is only 40,000 of them clear JEE Advanced. If you clear JEE Advanced with a good rank, you will have great chance of getting into IIT with a good branch. What is percentile? This is for the students who don't know what percentile is. Suppose you write an exam and total number of students in the exam is 100. If your rank is 30 out of 100, then your percentile would be 70, indicating that you are 70 students ahead in the rank. If your rank is 1 out of 100, then your percentile would be 99, indicating that you are 99 students ahead in the rank. How to get into IIT? To clear the rumors, you cannot get into IIT just by cracking JEE mains. You need to also crack JEE advanced exam. Not only cracking the exams, but you also need to have a good ranking in both JEE mains and advanced to get into IIT. Only 15 to 20,000 every year get into IIT. You need to be in the top 1%, that is 99 percentile in both JEE mains and advanced to get into IIT. Documents required for JEE registration. While registering for JEE mains entrance exam, you should have the following documents: Class 10 mark sheet, Class 12 mark sheet, category certificate, income certificate, address proof, and you need to upload the following documents like passport size photograph, the signature of the candidate along with the parent signature. You need to also give contact number and email address. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more such informative content. Thank you.